Okay, everyone, back here at the bus. I did installed that Viva heater I got. A guy who donated $100. I put it towards this, and I actually got it with the YouTube discount. I got it for 160 Canadian, which was awesome. But yeah, so all I did was take my hole saw, 3-inch hole saw, overlapped, drilled right through the ply and the insulation and the pan of the bus, making sure I wasn't hitting any beams from underneath that go this way. But yeah, so it's just temporary rigged. I put my 1 deep cycle battery right here just because it was down to 0 degrees Celsius yesterday or last night. So I was like, if I want to continue working in here, I got to get some heat. So that worked out awesome. I did kind of set that up. I know I haven't painted that or anything yet, but wanted to test it out first. And so what I did was I used one of the T's. So I just used one of the pipes that come with it. It comes with 2 pipes. So I curved the one, put a T in, and then curved the other to underneath. And then so I have the T shooting out hot air here and filling up that with hot air and coming out those vents there, and it worked really good. So that I'm definitely going to keep. So just works really good, and it'll help bring more air to the front of the bus. All right, so yeah, so this is the battery I used back there, temporary. I'm just charging it up with one 120 watt solar panel, and it's charging at only 2 amps. A little cloud. Yeah, 3 amps. It was just at 6.5 amps. Much cloud covering the sun. But yeah, so I'll give you a look underneath and see how I got it set up down there. Okay, so that's how I just got it temporary. And as you can tell, I know I overcut it just slightly, but I'll get that filled in. But yeah, so it's the muffler, and it is pretty quiet. It comes with 2 mufflers, but with one is actually really quiet. Oh, my hat. Yeah, definitely a beauty day today. This weekend's supposed to be really nice. And of course I gotta work. So, oh well. We'll get her done. Bit by bit. So yeah, the little bit I got done this time was just the heater install. I gotta do another cleanup. I did save. See, this is all the wiring that fed the back heater, like the blower motor, so this is some really nice thick stuff. So I'm going to reuse this. One to feed my heater back here, maybe another to feed 12 volt bus bar, and then I could branch off from there and make some like cigarette plugs and USB chargers. But yeah, slowly but surely. So I did take the big battery inside the shop and charge it on the plug-in charger, just to make sure it's right topped up when I start this off, because I'm gonna have to permanently mount a at least one solar panel up on the roof. Instead of bringing it out back and forth every time I'm here, I have to keep something continuously charged here. But yeah, so I'd rather do that and have to come during the snow and brush it off than having to bring it in and out all the time. So I'll get something figured out. Alrighty guys, so my bus has heat. That's awesome. So I'm thinking on going live, maybe. But yeah, I think maybe either later on I'll either go live or I'll go live tomorrow. All right. Cheers, everybody.